subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new X series phone in Czech Republic called Vivo X80 Lite, with color changing technology that changes the color when exposed to sun or UV light. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The Vivo X80 Lite features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and the screen is HDR10 Plus certified. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, paired with Mali G68 MC4 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM that can be extended up to 8GB by using Extended RAM 3.0 technology, and it has 256GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Vivo X80 Lite supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.79 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view alongside the 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 50MP camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery with 44W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 12 based on FunTouchOS 12 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with liquid cooling system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.2 by 74.2 by 7.8mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. Now let's take a look at the pricing details of the Vivo X80 Lite smartphone. The Vivo X80 Lite has been priced in Czech Republic at 9,999 Czech korunas, and it will be available for purchase in the country in diamond black and sunrise gold color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo X80 Lite 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.